To annotate on a PDF on your iPad, you need to be in the Student Canvas app, this one right here. Find your class. I'm going to use Mr. Dettinger's class. Find the assignment in the left hand. I'm going to click on the assignment that I need to submit. And as you can see, I've already submitted this, yours won't say this. I'm going to resubmit this. One part that's important is to go full screen, this icon up here in the top left. Go full screen, then click on the PDF. That will open it up. You can then click up here on the annotate icon, and all these tools will be made available to you. If you just want to write on it, choose the pen, click on the color. You can change the thickness of the line right here when you tap on that and change the color or whatever you need to do. And then you just fill in whatever you need. Okay. Once you're done, you can click on the annotate icon again. That will close out those tools, and then you can share it. You can directly share it into Canvas by clicking the export button up here. Find your Canvas student app. Select your course. In this case, it would be Mr. Dettinger's class. So let me find that right there. This is the assignment. If it's a different assignment, you can select that. But when you hit submit, it will tell you that you submitted your assignment successfully. And that's it.